and how is everyone doing today? I hope they're doing wonderful. Today I'm going to make my version of a pasta salad. As you can see behind me, I have boiling water going for our tricolor rotini. So I'm just going to let that come to a roiling boil, and then we'll go from there. So in the meantime, I have my bowl. I'm going to crumble feta cheese, and I'm going to just toss that in there. And I'm going to crunch it up a little bit. Now mind you, you don't have to use it, but my family does like it. Okay, set this aside. And then I'm going to add some broccoli. It's all been washed. I've already washed everything. I'm going to put that over there. Just kind of break this up a little bit, cut that up. Now I have green onions that I'm going to chop up for it. You can use other onions if you prefer, but I prefer the green. I'm just going to cut it like so. Guess I should move the bowl back so you guys can see. Just like this. Right down there. Like that. Then we got a little big fella here. Too big. I used 2 of them. Okay. Alright. I'm going to put that in there. Like so. And then here I have our grape tomatoes. And I'm just going to slice these up a little bit. Maybe cutting them in half. Toss them in there. Like so. My pasta to my water. Alrighty. Now I'm going to take and dice up. I just buy the jar artichoke that's marinated. They have more flavor. Add that in there. I use 1 jar. I have here Kraft Creamy Italian that we're going to use for our pasta salad. If I can get it open. Take those tabs off. There we go. Alrighty. Just like so. Shake that up a little bit. Over to the sink and drain it out. Like so. And I'm going to wash it off with cold water to stop the cooking. There we go. Now you can put black olives in it, but today I didn't do that. So, there we go. Drain that real well. Come back over here. I'm going to put that in my bowl. I'm going to stir this around. Just like so. You can see. I'm going to mix that up. And I'm going to add my Italian. Okay. Put that up. Just kind of mix this around. Alright. Put a little bit more. I'm going to say this should probably sit in your refrigerator for about 2 hours before serving. That way everything can marry together. Okay. Let me see how this tastes. Perfect. And that's how I do my pasta salad. So, a recipe will be at the end of this video. And please enjoy and let me know in the comments what you think of it. If